Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. So if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is we go right here to send. And then he will send us right here to this page. And now it's important because we need to search right here for the Philippines. And we click right here on this option. Then we can fill in right now how much we want to send. So let's say we want to send 100 euros. Then we click right here on add recipient, and then you see right here the option e-wallet. So then right now we select right to e-wallet, someone else. And then what we can do is we can fill in right here the email, the full name, and the wallet provider. So that is exactly GCash. Then fill in right here the recipient's e-wallet number and then the city. Then you can click right here on continue, and then you can send money to GCash. So this is in a nutshell how it works. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.